Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick video of how to install the quick disconnect steering wheel hub adapter from GenRight Off-Road. The very first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. After you do that, you can start trying to pull the airbag. To disconnect the airbag, there are two bolts holding it in. One right here and one on the other side. Mine is an 8mm. And one on the other side. The next thing you want to do is disconnect the airbag. There are two plugs holding the airbag in, so be careful when you pull it out. There's one pinch one up there, and then the one in the middle on mine you just pinch in, pull out, and there you have it. The airbag is out. Next, you want to disconnect your cruise control. So there is just a button on the back side here. Pinch that, pull it out, and there's one on this side as well. Once you have the airbag pulled out, there's one bolt holding in the steering wheel. It's a 1/2 inch drive. You do need an extension because of the dish of the steering wheel. Just put it on like that. Hold the steering wheel, spin it around until it comes out. Now you just have to pull the steering wheel off. I have a 2-jaw 5-ton puller, and that works very well. Alright, and just pull it off. Watch the plugs. Now that you've removed the airbag and the steering wheel, you want to get rid of this wiring harness. It is held in by this plate. All it takes is 3 T8 screws, and it'll come right out. Now that the screws are out, just pull on the top and shimmy it out. Quick feel harnesses, and this should pull right off. I do have all these wires in there. I'm going to get rid of those. Now that everything's removed, you're ready to start installing the quick disconnect steering wheel hub. If you notice, it is keyed, so pay attention to the spines. That, then the bolt and washer, put it in there. And it is an 8mm. Line it up and screw it in. All that's left is to mount your aftermarket steering wheel to this piece. Any 6-bolt pattern will work. All you do is unscrew these, mount your steering wheel against this, screw these back in, and you're all set.